This thing's ace. I knew it was going to do well. Let's get straight into it with the PPK-20. It's nice and short and agile. It's not too heavy. Semi's more than snappy enough. Gas in the mags is sometimes a bit of an issue with this because it doesn't seem like it's filling. We ran out of gas for that one. So accurate. Oh, this thing's good. Not sure if I finish that target off, but we'll find out. Gonna change it here. So pointable, nice and manoeuvrable, plenty accurate. They're doing a cracking job at WellPro with these. The PPK-20 from WellPro is phenomenal. They're not the cheapest for what I would call a budget manufacturer GBBR, but honestly, I think it's worth it.